Hey everyone, today I'm doing an unboxing video. This just came in the mail. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but please bear with me as this is my first attempt at this. And it's a little rough, not going to lie. But stick it out and you'll find out what I received in the mail. So here they very specifically tell you not to use a knife, but then they go ahead and use the toughest tape known to man, and I couldn't find my letter opener. They tell you not to cut it. Might cut your decals. I feel like I'm safe because it's brutal. Extras. Everybody likes the extra goodies from Ride Industries. Very nice. And this is what they tell you. After you have installed these amazing graphics, post a pic on Instagram and tag it at Ride Industry Graphics _graphics. Alright, there it is. You used a knife, didn't you, you rebel? Are you that person who assembled that thing and read the instructions after the fact to find out what the extra bolts were for? Oh yeah. These guys are awesome. Love them. So here they are in their full splendor. Look at those. Amazing. They look awesome. Very happy. I've used these guys in the past and I will use them again in the future. Climb. Climb, not climb. Climb. Easy to install, well, for some. Yeah. Ride Industries. For all your dirt bike decal needs. Look them up. Canadian company. Good stuff. Hey, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd also like to thank Climb for accepting me into their rider support program. They're a great company.